Jules, sa papalapit na nga ng papalapit itong ASEAN Integration 2015. Kaya naman tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang mga activities habang ito ay papalapit na. At noong November 29 nga, nagsimula na itong 6 ASEAN Games. Para po sa detalye, makakasama po natin si Dr. Luz Almeda, ang NCR Regional Director ng DepEd. Good morning.
Ma'am.
Good morning.
And Merry Christmas.
Morning. Merry Christmas.
Okay, ma'am. So, first time daw po ng Pilipinas na mag-host para dito sa 6th ASEAN School
Yes.
Games. So, ano po ang mga paghahandang ginawa natin for this?
Unang-una talagang tuwang-tuwa tayo kasi first time, pang-anim lang ito, 6th ASEAN Schools Games. Marami tayong preparations na ginagawa. Actually, ang host is Marikina City under Mayor Del de Guzman. Pero central office at saka regional office. So I'm the chef de mission. Nagsimula na ng 29 hanggang December 5, December 6. Actually, ang alis nila December 7. We have 6 countries na nag-participate, pang 7 tayo, Philippines. Myanmar, Laos, hindi nagpunta. At saka Cambodia. So we have Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, Brunei, Vietnam.
Okay.
Yan, oo. Ano po yung mga kumagalaro o yung mga activities po for these ASEAN Games?
11 events, no? 11, kasama dyan yung wushu. Wushu. May basketball, volleyball, track, gymnastics, ball games, tennis, badminton.
Okay. So, for the Philippines, ma'am, may balita po ba kayo kung kamusta po yung pag-ensayo na ginawa nila for this one?
We had already a few
Medals?
one gold.
Okay, that's nice.
Nanalo tayo ng, pero hindi pa final yon.
Aba.
Basketball, volleyball.
Basketball.
Basketball,
Of
boys
course.
and girls.
Boys and girls pa?
Oo, pero hindi pa yun final.
Okay.
Ayan, oo. Pero dito sa nangyayaring ASEAN Games, sino po ba yung nangunguna? Anong bansa po ba?
Well,
May update po ba tayo or
yes,
wala pa? Or
last
tuloy-tuloy
year,
pa rin po ba?
last year, Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, ganun, Thailand.
Okay, syempre we're hoping na kung may
Oo,
home court advantage
of
siya na ito
course.
for the
Yes,
Philippines.
yes.
Pero ma'am, so since ito ay isang school games, no? ASEAN school games siya, sino po yung mga pasok dito or qualified na mag-participate? High school, elementary?
High school, in fact, mayroon tayong konting disadvantage.
Okay.
Kasi yung ating high school, age 16 lang in our current curriculum.
Yes.
Yung ibang bansa, Singapore, Malaysia,
Older.
ano na sila, 18 na. Kaya nga we need
Yes.
to have K-12 eh.
So,
yung kanilang high school, senior high school, age 18. 17, 18. Sa atin, ang ating oldest is 15, 16. Diyan tayo kunting dehado. So we have not been we have not been performing very well sa last ASEAN Games.
We can say, ma'am, na one factor po talaga
Yeah,
yun
isang
in the
factor
past
yun.
ASEAN school games, yung
yes,
age.
Yes.
Okay.
Isang factor yung edad. But, judging from yesterday's first day competition, meron tayo tennis against Thailand, we won.
Okay.
Tapos yung basketball, boys and girls. But again, it's not yet final. Hindi pa yun,
So ma'am, gaano po kahaba yung duration nitong ASEAN school games?
It started yesterday hanggang Friday po. Sa 6th, there will be an education tour for the athletes. They are all billeted in the hotels at Mandaluyong.
Okay.
Yung mga 4th, 5th, 5-star hotels andyan sa Mandaluyong. So, tapos they go to Marikina where most of the games are played.
Siguro itanong na rin
May
natin.
golf pala ito.
Golf.
Ay, may golf
Yes,
din.
yes,
Wow, napakabongga.
yes.
Social, no? Oo, pero pwede ko rin po bang itanong kung ano-ano po ba yung, kumbaga, pupuntahan nila dito sa educational tour this Friday.
Yeah, pupunta sila sa ating mga historical landmarks. Punta sa Intramuros,
Yes.
sa Luneta, and then they will end up at, I think, MOA.
Wow.
Kasi malapit doon.
Okay,
But we
ma'am.
need to secure the children and the athletes. There are about a total of 1,600 athletes from all the 7 countries.
Andito po
na
ngayon.
nandito. Yes.
Wow, napakadami pala.
Ilan po ang representatives ng Philippines?
We have the maximum number, mga 168 athletes plus officials.
So fair share na number
Yes,
po
yes,
lahat.
mga 200 more or less.
Okay po. Since obviously this is aligned with the ASEAN integration in 2015, and one of the features nun, Carla, is to build the ASEAN identity.
Yes.
So ma'am, paano nyo po nakikita na nagja-jive or nag-integrate yung cultures ng iba't ibang
Of
mga
course,
ASEAN
yung ating
countries?
tema One ASEAN, one vision, one community of champions. Ang ganda yung ating tema, but because we need to start in our schools the idea of eventually as Asian integration. And we encourage our students to really interface, meet new friends, widen their circle of friends from their from the athletes of other countries.
Kasi magandang avenue yung sports para
Yes.
siyempre
Yes.
maka-integrate,
Yes.
di ba? Makapag-bond with different youth from different ASEAN
Tama.
countries.
Right.
So aside from sports events po, meron pa po bang ibang features itong school games po?
Well, meron silang get-together.
Okay.
Tapos they are required to mix with others. Tsaka yung ating mga bata, especially in the different schools in the National Capital Region, pinapag-attend natin sa all the games para may crowd naman. And then they are made to write a comment, write an essay, make a feature story or about what they have watched in the game. So we are encouraging them to really mix and integrate with others.
Oo. Pero ito naman po, since andito na nga naman yung mga delegates from different
Yes.
ASEAN countries, no, pwede po bang manood ang public or is this open
Yes.
para po sa publiko?
Everybody is invited kasi libre ito eh.
Yes.
So most of the games, track, doon, ball game, swimming.
Swimming din.
Oo, magsisimula na ngayon. Is for free at the Marikina Sports Complex.
And so dapat puntahan to ng mga boss natin kasi
Oo.
iba yung feeling di ba, na
Yes.
pinapanood ka ng mga kababayan mo.
Tama, oh. At 3 days na lang, no? Tama po, 3 days na
Yes,
lang.
yes, yes, yes.
Ayan, ako. At syempre,
Exciting
supporta
eh,
din.
kasi especially towards the last day, kasi yun yung championship.
Yes,
oo.
oo. Mainit na yung labanan niya.
Tapos yung closing ceremonies, ma'am, saan po gagawin?
Doon, sa Marikina.
Marikina na rin ba?
You know, we had a very grand opening ceremony.
Yeah, how was it, ma'am?
Each country was represented with a typical dance presentation of the country. So kung sabi Thailand, meron silang Thai dance, yung famous Thai dance nila. Indonesia, meron silang famous. We had to bring in about 200 students
Nice.
to dance.
Filipino
The-
students or halo-halo na rin po?
Filipinos from
Okay.
different divisions, yes.
That's nice.
And that would mean 1 or 2 months preparation from our schools.
Okay. So talagang en grande pala yung
Yes.
preparations for this ASEAN School
Tama.
Games.
Oo. At again, tama ka. Dapat sana tayo makiisa dito dahil maganda rin na home court natin to. Maganda rin kung sinusuportahan natin, di ba?
Yes,
Bigyan po
yes.
natin ng 100% support ang ating mga delegates o mga Pilipino. And of course, para makiisa din
At
tayo
saka,
dito sa ASEAN.
isang feature the other night, tuwang-tuwa nga sa Secretary, Brother Armin Luistro, si Mayor Gia Gomez
San Juan.
also hosted a dinner entertainment. Alam mo kung sinong special presentation doon? Bayanihan Dance Troupe.
Wow.
Ang nag-enjoy
Wow,
yung mga...
sobrang galing.
Sobra.
Oo.
They really enjoyed it
Yes.
very much. And they were really excited to tell us beautiful dancers and exciting presentation. And I'd like to thank Mayor Gia and all the mayors of NCR for
Okay.
supporting this 6th ASEAN Schools Games.
Ayan, nako.
So thank you so much, ma'am,
you
of
so
course.
much.
And it's our
You're
pleasure na nandito po kayo sa studio
Oo.
para invite ng ating mga boss.
Right, maraming
Thank you
salamat
very
po.
much.
Thank you so much. Again, nakasama po natin si Dr.
Punta
Luz
kayo doon.
Almeda, the NCR Regional Director.
And
Am I
the
right?
Chef de Mission, yes.
Okay, of DepEd.
Yes,
Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. And good luck and congratulations in advance in
Thank
yung
you.
very
Sana
successful...
manalo tayo.
Yes,
Yes, sana manalo tayo.
Basta support lang tayo mga boss.